See, true success comes when dedication meets drive. A lot of people wonder why they have good ideas and they can't make shit happen. See, you can't make shit happen if you don't get up off your ass and go get it. And you can't get up off your ass and go get it if you don't know what direction you're going in. See, a man without vision will perish. That comes out of the Bible. A vision is knowing what direction that you're going, working every waking minute to get to that direction, to get to your goal, to get to your dream, whatever you're trying to do. So if you got a goal or a dream that you're trying to accomplish, you're trying to wonder why it's not working, maybe because your drive hasn't met your determination yet. Maybe because, yeah, you want it, but you're not willing to sacrifice everything for it. Yeah, you may want to be successful. Everybody wants to be rich. But who's going to go without sleep? Who's going to miss meals? Who's going to sacrifice the club? Who's going to sacrifice partying and a good time to be studying, reading books, and gaining knowledge? That's the person that's going to be successful. That's when determination meets drive. What's your determination and drive like?